What's going on, guys? I'm back here. Sorry for the lack of uploads. I've just been really busy with school and work, but got good news. I'm back in the N52 gang. So this is a BMW 525xi 6-speed manual. Please disregard the M5 sticker. I will take that off. But the car right now is completely stock, basically. I put a muffler and a resonator delete on this, so it sounds just exactly like the 328 I used to have on my channel. I'm super stoked. You guys saw how dirty the car was. So let's just get this thing clean and take it for a drive. What do you think? If you did like it, please leave us a comment of what you thought about the